Unsa tita?
Basahon ni mo.
Thomas.
Si Thomas Becket.
Thomas Becket?
Becket.
Becket.
Ay, Becket.
Naman bitaog. So, diri daw ang tomb ni Thomas Becket. Thomas Hill Arming Low. Mga chairs nila sa una. Our Lady. The Chapel of Our Lady Martyrdom. Tapos mga lights. Edward Don.
There. Was murdered here.
St. Thomas Becket,
Archbishop
Archbishop of Canterbury, was brutally murdered here by four of King Henry II's knight on December 29, 1170. Okay. The crypt.